Our fastest chip, our longest battery life, and our most cinematic camera. The ultimate pro. iPhone 17 Pro.
Every single year, Apple sells more than 250 million iPhones. That's over 8 iPhones every second. With sales this massive, Apple makes more than $350 million in just one day. But the iPhone doesn't just appear in your hand out of nowhere. It takes a global journey through giant factories, cutting-edge labs, and even across continents. And believe it or not, this entire process can be broken down into just 8 simple steps. Step 1. Chip manufacturing. It all begins not with a screen or camera, but with a grain of silicon. This raw material is mined in countries like Australia and the United States. From there, it's sent to Japan and Korea, where it's turned into ultra-pure silicon wafers. These wafers travel to Taiwan, to TSMC, Apple's most trusted chip maker. Inside their ultra-clean factories, Apple's A19 Bionic chip is created using a 2-nanometer process. This chip is smaller than a fingernail, but holds billions of transistors, giving the iPhone its brain. It powers everything: Face ID, 8K video recording, next-gen AI features, and super-fast performance. Apple designs the chip, but TSMC brings it to life with billion-dollar machines that etch patterns thinner than a virus. Just this step alone takes weeks to complete. Step 2. Display production. While the chips are being built, work also begins on the iPhone's display. The iPhone 17's Super Retina XDR OLED panels are made in South Korea and Japan by Samsung and LG. The screens are built layer by layer, sprayed onto pure glass with microscopic precision. Every panel faces over 100 inspection stages to check brightness, colors, touch response, and durability. Even the tiniest scratch or dead pixel means instant rejection. The survivors are coated to resist fingerprints and then shipped to China, where robotic arms bond them perfectly to the titanium frame. In iPhone City, more than 700 screens are attached every single minute. Step 3. Camera module assembly. Next come the cameras, one of the iPhone's most iconic features. In Japan, Sony creates the camera sensors, each one packed with millions of light-sensitive pixels. These sensors are checked under electron microscopes to make sure not a single flaw escapes. Then in China, special lens makers like Largan and Genius add the glass layers. The iPhone 17 now gets its powerful triple lens system, a 64-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto lens for incredible zoom. Each lens is aligned with lasers so precise that even a hair's width of error would ruin a photo. Step 4. Battery and memory integration. Now the iPhone needs power. Batteries are made in China and Korea using lithium polymer cells. Each one is tested through hundreds of charge and discharge cycles to make sure it's safe and long-lasting.
Very simply, lithium-ion batteries are made out of 2 sheets of aluminum, a cathode and an anode, coated with 2 different substances. On the positive side, the cathode is lithium cobalt oxide, and on the anode side, the negative side, is graphite. There are 2 identical factory lines here for adding that coating on the aluminum sheet. This is the cathode side, where the lithium is. These giant mixers behind me are mixing the lithium cobalt oxide with a binding agent and a conductive agent. And they're sort of like big stand mixers that you would find in your kitchen for making cookies or bread or cake. Once they're fully mixed, these drums underneath are wheeled over, and then they pump the solution out through this pump here and through this pipe into the next room where they're coating the aluminum sheet. So let's go take a look. So this is that pipe coming from the pump all the way over here to this filter, and this is where it's actually getting coated on the aluminum sheet. So the aluminum sheet starts out on this roll here. This is actually the second time this particular sheet is being coated. They coat both sides, but the first pass looks exactly like this. They just happen to be running this right now. That sheet goes through a series of tensioning rollers underneath this platform, up over here and around this drum where the actual coating is happening. So right here, there's 2 plates where the solution of lithium cobalt is being squirted out very precisely onto the sheet as consistently as they can. The next step is to bake it on with a giant conveyor belt oven. Let's go see that. This is an X-ray inspector that inspects for a perfectly even coating on the backing material. And it's got an X-ray head that's moving back and forth across the panels as they go through. And finally, it goes over here and gets wound on this drum. Next, we want to make this cathode layer as thin as possible. This is an 800-ton rolling press that has 2 rollers that smash the cathode and the cathode coating as thin as possible. It's shut down right now. They're waiting on further up the line to reload a roll. But this would normally be feeding through the press here, then through a thickness gauge, and again onto a roll where it's going to go upstairs, and we'll put together the actual battery cells.
At the same time, memory chips, NAND, flash, and RAM are created by companies like SK Hynix and Qualcomm. These tiny chips allow your iPhone to store photos, apps, and videos instantly. When installed, the battery is glued into the slim frame with robotic arms that work with perfect precision. Step 5. Frame and body construction. The outside of the iPhone is as important as the inside. Apple uses aerospace-grade titanium for the frame and a tough ceramic shield for the glass. These parts are built in China and India. The titanium is cut with lasers, polished with nanomachines, and anodized for strength and color. Apple's finishes, like Deep Space Black or Celestial Blue, are created here, blending beauty with durability. Every single frame and glass piece is inspected, both by human experts and robotic eyes, before moving to final assembly. Step 6. Final assembly. Now comes the stage where everything comes together. All parts, chips, screens, cameras, batteries, frames, are shipped to Foxconn's giant factory in Zhengzhou, China, also known as iPhone City. This factory employs over 350,000 workers, alongside robotic arms that never stop. The iPhone goes through nearly 400 steps. The logic board is attached, cables are folded, cameras are slotted in, the battery is placed, and the screen is sealed onto the frame. At this point, the iPhone looks whole, but the work is far from over. Step 7. Quality testing. Apple is known for perfection, and each iPhone must pass over 70 tests before it can be shipped. Robots check the screen with endless swipes and taps. Cameras are tested under different light conditions. Face ID is checked in bright sun, total darkness, and even at weird angles. Speakers play sound at different volumes to test clarity. Then comes the torture stage. iPhones are blasted with water jets, exposed to steam, shaken with dust, and even dropped on hard surfaces in slow motion. Only phones that survive all these tests move forward. Step 8. Packaging and distribution. Once the iPhone passes testing, it's time for packaging. Robotic arms place protective films over the screen and back, then lower the phone into Apple's signature white box. Inside, you'll find the braided USB-C cable, Apple stickers, and instructions, all arranged with surgical precision. The boxes are sealed, labeled with unique QR codes, and stacked on pallets. From here, Apple's massive logistics network takes over. Every week, over 30 cargo planes leave China, filled with nothing but iPhones. Within 72 hours, an iPhone built in Zhengzhou can be on display in New York, Paris, or Tokyo. Your iPhone 17 isn't just a phone, it's a world traveler. From chips in Taiwan to screens in Korea and cameras in Japan, every part comes together in one perfect device in your hand. Crazy, right? So the next time you unlock your iPhone, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. Did you ever imagine it was this intense? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into how the iPhone 17 is made, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because there are so many more behind-the-scenes videos coming your way.